I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Squarespace website public. First, let's ensure your site is fully prepared. Take time to review all content, checking for any typos or incomplete sections. Confirm your design elements like fonts and colors are consistent throughout. Also, make sure your custom domain is properly connected. A well-prepared site ensures a smooth transition to public visibility and a great first impression for your visitors. To make your Squarespace website public, you must have an active paid subscription. While you can build your site during a trial period, public access requires an upgrade. Navigate to your billing settings to select a plan that aligns with your website's requirements. Squarespace offers various options, from personal to business and commerce plans, allowing you to choose the best fit for your online presence. Once your site is ready and your subscription is active, it's time to go live. From your Squarespace dashboard, locate the Settings menu. Within Settings, find and click on Site Availability. Here, you'll see options like Private or Password Protected. To make your site visible to everyone, select the Public option. Remember to click Save to confirm your choice and publish your website to the world. After publishing, it's crucial to verify everything is working as expected. Open your website in a private or incognito browser window to see it as a new visitor would. Test all links, forms, and interactive elements to ensure functionality. Check your site's appearance on various devices, like a smartphone or tablet, for responsiveness. Finally, consider submitting your site to search engines to help it get indexed and found more easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.